Bupa Dental Care UK helps patients maintain a healthy smile by providing hundreds of dental practices throughout the United Kingdom. To provide the best dental care, clinicians need patient data to be available 24/7, 365. If data isn't available, dentists can't treat them. Just 1 hour of downtime could prevent dentists from treating thousands of patients. Veeam helps Bupa Dental UK brush up on availability and eliminate downtime.
My name is Mike Conjoyce, I'm the technical lead at Bupa Dental UK. Each practice has a practice management software which handles all the patient care records, appointments, billing, everything through the business is run through that software. So that's kind of the lifeblood of that dental surgery. If that's not available, then they can't treat, they can't work, they can't contact patients. So that needs to be there all the time. For our business, downtime is the killer, as for any business. Without those patient records in any of those 400 practices, be it 1 or 400, we could be losing thousands of pounds a day per clinician. Since we've brought Veeam into the business, downtime is no longer an issue, it's no longer something we have to worry about. From a dentist's point of view, their income is based on the treatment they perform. If they can't treat, they don't earn. They shouldn't have to worry whether they can or not. You go to do your job, you expect the tools to be there to work with. Downtime should be something that doesn't affect them. They don't have to worry about the IT, they can concentrate on patient care. Our job is to worry about the IT, and we don't want to have to worry about it either, which is why we've put Veeam in place. One of our practices flooded, the server room was completely wiped out. We had no off-site backups. They were using a legacy solution, they were backing up to USB disks. The practice flooded, the server was wiped out, the whole server room. We found their backup USB drive floating in the server room, and they were down for 2 weeks because we had no way of restoring that data to anywhere apart from their practice server because of the legacy software. It was bespoke to that practice management software. We had to wait until we had new kit, a new site to put it in, and we lost a lot of money throughout that. In the same situation, if we'd had Veeam, we could have been up and running in minutes. Now we have to worry about it just works, it's there, we trust it, so we can move on and keep that secure feeling that all our data, all our patients' data, more importantly, is safe.